Oh.
I know, it's priceless.
Oh, it's recording.
Alright, here we go. Let's do this. So you cross a blue flower that's true breeding with a red flower that's also true breeding, and we're going to describe the genome and phenotype for each generation. So let's do the F1 first. Okay, so our F1 generation, we have true breeding. So that means we are going to have, let's do big B, big R, big R. What am I going to get in each of my squares?
Yeah.
Big R. Okay. Alright, so let's describe the genome and phenotype of this. So phenotype, what's my phenotype going to be? 100% what? Purple. Purple, 100%. Okay, that's that. How about my genotype? 100% big B, big R. That's my phenotype and my genotype. Any questions on the first generation? It's incomplete dominant, so you just have to know that you cross blue and purple, blue and red, and blue and red together make purple. All right, let's do F2 generation. What are we going to cross this time for the F2? What do we know? What are we going to cross, Clay?
2 purples.
2 purples. So big B, big R, big B, big R. That is your only option here. Okay? If I had multiple options, you'd have to go through and do each one. But they're all big B, big R. So all of the offspring from this mom and this dad are going to be the same. Okay? So what do I get in my first box here? Big B, big B, big B, big B. How about the next one? BR. Next one? BR. And last one? RR. Alright, let's do the phenotype. Phenotype and genotype. What's the phenotype going to be for this guy?
25%.
What'd you say, Ryan?
Blue 25%.
Okay, so you're going to have blue 25%.
Purple
Okay.
50.
Purple 50.
Red 25.
And red 25. Good, thank you. Alright, let's do the genotype. Okay, what's my genotype going to be for this? What'd you say, Jared?
RR.
Good. RR is 25%. What's another option?
GB.
BB. And what's that percentage? And what's my last one? BR. 50%. Alright, are we good on that? We can all do that on our own?
Yes.
Yes?
Could you ever not have blue, red, or purple? Would
You
it
could have
always?
other colors like
What if you
yellow
had,
and
like-
white. Or...
How?
A purple and a
I
red.
mean, like in this case.
Oh, in this case, no. You're only going to have these colors unless you bring another color into the situation.
So you can't have like a light purple.
You'd have to do purple and
Did you
white.
make a black rose?
Yeah.
What if you had like, you did it again, but then the purple was with a red? It would make like a darker.
So, hey guys, that's a good question. Let's listen up, please. Nick just asked next time if you did you say a purple and a red?
Yeah.
So you could just go through and cross it. Okay. So I'm going to erase this one. So if you take from here, if you take a purple, so let's take this one, and you take a red, you can just cross it and see what happens. Okay. So if you cross that, okay, so doesn't matter which one goes where, big R, big B, big R, big R, big R. Right, if I cross these, big B, big R, big R, big R, big B, big R, big R, big R. Okay, so let's see what we got here. You got 25% purple and 25% red. That's what that generation. This would be your F3
You mean 50?
generation. Yeah.
But can the color of itself get darker? Because
It's not gonna get much
because
darker.
when people cross,
Skin color is completely different. Okay, we'll get to skin color at some point. Yes.
What if there's a mutation?
If there's a mutation, then all bets are off. It depends where that mutation's at and all that stuff. That's a good question. Yeah, if a mutation occurred, you could have something totally different. Any other questions out there? Nope? Alright, let's go on to our worksheet.
I did too.
Sign groups.
Is it different?
No, I think I just took pictures.